Welcome back, Shadow Warriors. I'm Adam, your AI guide to explosive English fluency. Ready to unlock your pronunciation superpowers? Today we're using shadowing to conquer connected speech. Remember, speak loud with me, no pauses, no fear. Let's dive in. In today's episode, I will talk about motivation in language learning. That means how to stay strong, how to keep going, how to enjoy the process of learning English even when it feels hard. In this podcast, I speak slowly, I use simple words, and repeat key ideas. So you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. You can practice English step by step. This is called shadowing. You listen, then repeat after me. So are you ready? Take a deep breath. Relax, and let's begin together. All right, learning English is not easy, and that's okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to feel slow, but you are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen, time to practice. You need time to understand. You need time to grow, to improve. Some days learning feels fun. Some days it feels hard. That's part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On bad days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to know every word. You just need to try. You just need to keep going, slowly, gently, step by step. You are learning. You are doing something difficult, and you are doing it well. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard, sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you will see you have already come so far. You have learned new words, you have listened, you have practiced, you have improved. Even if you don't see it yet, you are not at the bottom anymore. You are climbing. You are getting stronger. So, don't give up. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. But all learners need one thing: motivation. Motivation is not magic. It's not always loud. Sometimes it's quiet. It's the little voice that says, "Try again. Don't stop. Just do one more minute and that's enough." If you feel tired, rest, then come back. If you feel confused, breathe, then try again. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return again and again. So ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it's for your job. Maybe it's to travel. Maybe it's just because you enjoy it. Your reason is important. Your reason is strong. Your reason will help you stay motivated. Remember, every day you practice English, you are moving forward. Even if it's just 5 minutes, even if it's just listening, even if it's just trying, you are growing. You are becoming better, and you should be proud of yourself. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are learning a new language. You are opening a door to the world. And that takes courage. So stay motivated, stay patient, stay kind to yourself. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. So how to stay motivated when you feel tired? Let's be honest. Some days you feel tired, you feel busy, you feel stressed. You think, I don't want to study today. And that's okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to take breaks. Your brain needs rest too. But you can keep going even on hard days. Here are a few ideas. Tip number 1, do just a little. You don't need to study for 1 hour. You don't need to do a big lesson. Just do one small thing. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Read one short paragraph. Repeat one sentence in your head. Even 1 minute is better than nothing. Learning English is not about doing a lot. It's about doing a little again and again. Tip number 2, remember your reason. Why are you learning English? Is it for your job? Is it to study abroad? Is it to speak with people from around the world? Is it just for fun? On the hard days, remember your why, your reason. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it close. Your reason is your fuel. It gives you energy when you feel tired. Tip number 3. Make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for silence or energy or the right mood. Make English easy to start. Put your book on your desk. Save a video on your phone. Set a timer for 10 minutes. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start. And once you start, the rest becomes easier. Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm slow. Don't say, I'm bad at English. Don't say, I will never speak well. Instead, say this. I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm doing something difficult and I'm doing my best. You are human. You are growing. So be kind to yourself. You deserve kindness from others and from yourself. Tip number 5. Celebrate small wins. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one new word? That's a win. Did you try even a little? That's a win too. You don't need big results. You just need to notice the small victories, the small wins. Smile at them, feel good about them, because they matter. Okay, in this part of the episode, I will speak using slightly longer sentences than before. Still slow, still simple, but just a little longer. This will help your listening improve step by step, so don't worry if you don't understand every word. That's okay. Just listen, relax, and try to follow the meaning. Learning English takes time, but sometimes you don't feel your progress. You study, you listen, you practice, and still you ask, am I improving? Is this working? Why is my English still not good enough? But here's the truth. You are improving. You are better today than you were yesterday, even if you don't see it yet. So how can you see your progress? How can you feel that learning is working? Let's talk about a few simple ways. Tip number 1. Write things down often. If you can, keep a little English notebook. In this notebook you can write new words you learn, sentences you like, and things you did in English today. You don't have to write a lot. Even one sentence per day is enough. For example, today I listened to a podcast. I learned the word progress. I watched a video and understood it. Later, maybe in 1 week or 1 month, you can read it again and you will be surprised. You will say, oh, I remember when I learned this. This was so hard before, but now it feels easy. That, my friend, is real progress. Your shadowing journey today was amazing. Want daily fluency breakthroughs like this? Smash that subscribe button and tap the bell. If this helped your pronunciation, share this with one friend who struggles with English rhythm. This is Adam, signing off with one last reminder: keep shadowing, stay unleashed.